Most exterior wood finishes protect the surface, but what protects the timber underneath? Cuprinol Wood Preserver is a clear water-based treatment for bare interior and exterior timber designed to go on before the decorative finish. It penetrates deeply into the wood, helping to protect against insect attack, rot, mould, and blue-staining fungi. That makes it a useful first treatment for projects including sheds, fences, cladding, gates, doors, windows, raised beds like this, and other bare timber around the home and garden. Make sure the wood is clean, dry, and free from dirt, biological growth, and previous coatings. Then brush on 2 even coats, allowing the first to soak in before applying the second. Coverage is up to 5 square meters per litre. Apply the second coat before the first has fully dried, so anything between 2 and 6 hours should be okay. Then leave the timber for 16 hours before overcoating. And yes, a quick reminder here, Cuprinol Wood Preserver is wax-free and is not designed to be left as the finished waterproof coating. Once dry, protect it with a compatible oil, stain, paint or varnish. Clear Cuprinol Wood Preserver. Deep penetrating protection beneath the finish.